Floor, 808. Is there an elevator? Thank you. Tapunka. Seven. 808. Oh, this. It's okay? Wrong way? This way?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Small miracles. What do we got? Bathroom. Sketchy bath. Totally sketchy bath. Oh, fridge. That's so good. Turn that off. Right. Turn some lights on. What do we got? Wow. Wow. I don't like heights at all. Looks like there's trees floating down the river. Air conditioning. Tiny little balcony, but that's good enough, you know? King size bed. Chair. We got a TV. We got some art. We have a room service telephone. We have an air conditioner. We have a kettle. We have a fridge with some water. Nice. And this place, you know, already a little sketchy. A little sketchy, you know. But let's open this side too. Oh yeah. Amazing view. Just amazing view. Temple off in the background. Wow. I don't have anything bad to say about the Ayutthaya Hotel. Obviously, they had the opportunity to prepare the room before I got there. So I think it's fair to honestly depict the room with video. I enjoyed the people there. I enjoyed the stay. You know, there was no bed bugs. Had a beautiful view. It's a great location. Staff, yeah, super helpful. Very friendly, kind, smiling. But the room had a few inadequacies. For perspective, I should point out that I'd definitely stay at this hotel again. And they're constantly upgrading and updating. There's a good chance the entire room's been renovated since I was there. And maybe they even put a fresh coat of paint on the bath. The rooms are nice and big, nice soft beds, floor-to-ceiling windows on the balcony side. Everything worked. The shower was a little wonky, and the bathroom needs some work. But what could be conceived as bad experience doesn't outweigh the good experiences. So it's kind of like a roll again and hope to get a cleaner bathroom next time.